First you need to do is go to storage settings. For this example, I'll be using the local disk having 269 GB and the free space is 14.3 GB. Use space 255 GB, and this is the breakdown. Videos having 86 GB and pictures having 74.8 GB. That's quite huge for pictures. So let's just open, click view pictures, and here you can see some folders and also iCloud photos. Let's take a look. Save pictures, only 2. How about screenshots? None. Catalyst, browse, camera roll. You can also try the OneDrive. I got only 2 pictures here, so maybe iCloud photos. Let's click on photos. Here there's a bunch of photos from iCloud. I tried to log in my iCloud from the computer, so maybe this is the cause. Click properties, and from here it's consuming a lot of storage. So this is the reason why my drive C is already near full. So what we are gonna do is to log out our iCloud. So from here I'll go to settings, then just press sign out, and then click from delete from PC. Now let's see again our drive C if it has free some space. Okay, so we have recovered a huge storage or space from 14.3 GB. Now it becomes 89.4, so that's a huge difference. Okay, so let's check the other applications. So let's go to temporary files, click on it, and from here there's also a breakdown, downloads, Windows Update, Cleaner, thumbnails, Microsoft Defender. So I'll just focus on downloads. Okay, we will not be deleting the downloads from here. We'll just go to our file explorer and click downloads. Okay, so there's a bunch here, files, videos, pictures. So what we are going to do is make a copy on important files, and then the rest will be deleted. So next we'll go to apps and features. It's better to change the view to size, file size. It's much easier and quicker. So iCloud, I'll be uninstalling this. I'll not be using this anymore for now. Okay, I guess this is the only one I'm gonna uninstall. Okay, now let's go to videos. Let's check. Click on view videos. So I see here 2 folders, captures and resolve. So since I am editing my videos on the video resolve, let's check the gallery. It's consuming 86 GB, and also the cache clip also consuming 85.9. So I'm not gonna delete this first. I'm gonna first finish my videos and render it to DaVinci Resolve, and then I'm gonna delete it after. That's it, guys. That's how you free some space on your local disk effectively. If you find this video useful, please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.